Okay, my name is Ahmed and that is my presentation. So, I'm Ahmed, I'm in 6th grade, I was online, and we've lately been learning about fossils. Minerals are minerals. Minerals are solid materials, they're formed by a natural process. They form by magma or lava when they cool. Another way they form is to have fluids that have cooled. The last way is to dissolve substances when water evaporates. We can test how hard it is. Metallic minerals are my favorite. Minerals versus rocks. The difference between minerals and rocks is that minerals make up the rock. Rock formations. Here are ways rocks form. Igneous rocks form when magma cools. Sedimentary rocks form when sediments pile up. Metamorphic rocks form when rock melts and forms metamorphic rocks. My favorite rock is slate. It is found in eastern Pennsylvania. It is caused by strong compression. We find fossils in sedimentary rocks and only sedimentary rocks. The reason for this is how they form. They form by an animal being buried in sand, and over the years sediments pour over and the hard parts of the animal become fossils. Now, one thing to note here is that not every hard part of an animal becomes a fossil. There are times where we are lucky and we are able to get full dinosaurs or full small dinosaurs that have been buried, or full animals, but if it's an animal like a human or has bone structure like a human, for example, like a dinosaur, it would be difficult to find everything of the dinosaur, but there are times where we get lucky and we have to dig and dig and dig, and then we are able to find. Radiometric dating. We can find out the age of rocks by radiometric dating. This is the process of taking two rocks and studying them to see the age. Earth. The Earth is around 4.5 billion years old. Gas and dust made the Earth. The Moon formed when the Earth and another small planet collided and made the Moon. Eras. Non-bird dinosaurs came and went in the Mesozoic era. Ammonites during the Paleozoic era, and jellyfish during the Precambrian era. The conclusion. The coolest thing about this year is that we learned that dinosaurs are living. Birds are dinosaurs. Thanks a lot. Inshallah. See you next year.